Hi, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about Britannica Online, which is the online version of the Britannica Encyclopedia. Now, we're here on the student page, which is exactly what your students will see when they log into Britannica Online. I love the way that students search using Britannica Online because it places more emphasis on images than on the words. So students can search using the search bar up at the top, or they can search using the category sections down below. They can look through articles, media, they can use the World Atlas, they can compare countries, or look at the animal kingdom. We're going to look at a couple of these, and then I'll show you some really awesome features that Britannica Online has specifically for educators. Now, when students use the categories to search, they come up with images instead of a list of words or a list of articles. So they're sectioned out into subjects. If they're looking for animals, they can find the animals here. Again, social studies, world religions. That way students find a large category. When they click on it, it's broken into a smaller category, and then again into smaller categories. It teaches students to classify, and it helps them to simplify their search as they go along. So you can find partial articles on the right, and it gives you a chance to also choose more specific categories on the left. If you found that you're looking for alligators or animals in general, perfect, this is where you need to be. But if you're looking for a more specific type of animal like a fish or a mammal, you can continue narrowing your search. So that's how the articles work. One cool feature is the World Atlas. Using the World Atlas, students can click on any country. You can click on any country as well. And you can get a summary, which gives you the flag and a summary of the history and topography of a country. You can get the profile, which gives you the official name, government statistics, it gives religion, language, total area, as well as monetary units and different statistics about that country. And related titles. This links the country that you have chosen with articles that Britannica Online has within its scope. So if you're looking at Mongolia, you might be able to find an article on the Mongol Empire. That's a really cool feature of the World Atlas, especially if you're studying a specific country. The Compare Countries category allows you to choose two countries. We'll just choose the first two here, and compare them. You can compare their types of government, compare their capitals, compare their religion. So you could take, the United States and compare it to any other country out there, which is fantastic. And it does the same thing for articles and media. So it gives you articles about each country as well as pictures, maps, and flags that are related to the country in question. All right, the last thing that I will point you to is up in the right-hand corner, the Educators tab. For educators, they have created some really cool content. The biggest thing that I will point you to is down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. We can use Britannica Online in correlation with state standards. By choosing a state standard, I'll go ahead and choose, of course, Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. We'll choose Science, 3rd grade. By choosing the standard that you're looking for and pressing View Results at the bottom, it comes up with every standard that we have for grade 3 in science, and Britannica correlates those standards with what information they contain within the scope of their online facility. So, for example, 3.1a. There are two articles that correlate to this standard within Britannica, Safety and Toys. They also link to two EdGate lessons about lab safety and importance of class lab safety. So you have the ability to look at TEKS to find lessons instead of trying to surf through lessons in order to match your TEKS. This is a fantastic resource that I love from Britannica Online. I think it will cut down on time with building lessons. It also might give some really great ideas when you're just either running out of time or running out of ideas or steam at the end of the year. So surf through the Britannica Online Educators tab. Use their curriculum standards. As you can see, they are linked to many different things. There are lessons in almost every standard, especially for science. They have articles linked to many of the different standards. This could help really collect fantastic things for your students to read and improve literacy, as well as make lessons exciting and new. So peruse this. Look through Britannica Online. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about how Britannica Online can be used within your class or within your school, please find your media resource specialist and let them guide you through the use of Britannica Online. Again, thank you so much for viewing this video and for listening today. I hope it's been helpful. Thank you again.